Yeah, big YouTubers in the building.
Take his job. That's why he mad.
I know that's right.
Trying to show you what it's like to know me. Never since the day you approached me, I've been thinking about you and you only. And we just like a fuck, that's nothing else. You know, I'm falling in love, that's for someone else.
What's up, guys? We are back with another video. It is Sunday, January 7th, and it's 12:55 p.m. It's time to lock in. And you already know we at the gym. I'm just that girl. What are you working on today?
Tell me. What?
Say hey to the vlog. Getting our video in. Hey y'all, checking out day 7 of 30 in the gym for me. But you know, they got other goals, you know. Look at us, Nike down. Sponsor us, Nike. Nike, you need to sponsor us. Ain't that right, babe?
Yeah, sure do.
Listen. So now we are about to get ready to run some errands. We're gonna divide and conquer to get more shit done and more stuff done. Watch my mouth. And I will check in with y'all when I get showered and I'm on to my next place. See you later.
I can't live with you, but I can't live without you. Jump off a plane on the island and I'm here.
Cute. What you think about this? I can't wear this to the gym.
I can't wear it because I don't got no teeth, but
Girl.
I can't.
Girl.
Certain stuff I can't wear. You might as well look just like.
Shut up. Talking nicely to yourself.
Huh? How about it's the truth?
So, another store. Nothing. I'm about to go home. Janae got me out here in these streets. And I don't appreciate it. But I'm first about to go to TJ Maxx. And then I'm going home. That's the last store. Yes. So, I am outside of at a house because I need to drop her Christmas gifts off. Otherwise, they would not have gotten dropped off for another week. So, yeah. There's been a whole bunch of things that have changed, and I'll update y'all when I'm leaving here. A blanket? Yeah, and it's pink. Because everything in my office is pink.
Yeah.
Period. I feel like it's unisex. It's cranberry.
This man is very
zest,
particular
and tonka.
about what I like.
This is like
He
a
be
mentally
like,
smell.
it's giving me a headache.
Please stop. He did not say the smell be giving him a headache.
No, when he doesn't like the candle, he be, I have a headache. Can you, yep.
Stop it.
Like that when I'm not here. You got it, dude. It smells good.
Kind of like I was going with the pink thing.
Really?
And then you see the green box, pink and green. You
Yeah.
see what I did
Oh.
there? You didn't even see it.
No, I'm really excited about the small ones because I don't be wearing,
You got a second hole?
yeah, I do, but I don't be wearing stuff in here.
I don't either.
And what did I do? This morning, actually, I was putting these in and I accidentally put it in the back one, but like it wasn't working. And I'm like, I was just wearing earrings yesterday. This is weird. But it was because it was the back one.
Oh.
So I gotta,
Yeah, push it through.
when I'm ready though,
You gotta what's the word?
re-pierce it.
Re-pierce it all the time.
Oh, yeah.
I don't want to be here, but I am. Hey y'all, so basically I did the same exact workout that I showed y'all in my last vlog, and that's exactly why I am not inserting that clip in here anymore, because it's the same exact workout. But you know, we getting it in another day, another workout. This is me leaving the gym at 6 o'clock in the morning. 5 a.m. club. What's up?
Bad bitches, bad bitches. Bad bitches, bad bitches. Damn, but fuck with me, you know that I do. You wanna fuck with them? Bad bitches.
Alright, so I am back home. It is now 6:30 and I need to be out of here in the next 15 minutes. We're gonna see what time I actually, well, my goal is to be out of here at 6:45 because then I'll get to work a little bit early, but I necessarily don't need to be there early. So my window is between 6:45 and 7 o'clock. I am about to shower. I kept my scarf on during my workout so I don't have to keep I got a little slick back situation going on under here, so hopefully I don't gotta do nothing to my hair. And then it's dress down day at school today, so I don't have to think much about my outfit. I could just throw on a cute little sweatsuit, which is what I'm probably going to do. So yes, the hardest part about working out in the morning is the fact that you have to rush and get ready for work. Like, the day must go on, but like having your workout done in the morning time before, like when you get done with work and all you gotta do is come home or go to that second job, that's the reward, because once you get up and you get it done, you're done with it. So yeah, it is, what time is it? It is 6:50, so I'm 5 minutes late. well, not late, 5 minutes after the time I actually wanted to be on my way to work, but I am leaving out now. Hey y'all, so I made it to work. I hope y'all have a good day. If I don't pick y'all up until later, I got an appointment later on today after work, so I'll probably talk to y'all then or on my lunch break. But until then, you know, have a good day. Hey y'all. I just finished getting a wax. I was going to try to take y'all in there, but baby, I don't know how y'all be sitting here recording while y'all getting the wax. Like, it doesn't hurt as bad as the first time did, but I don't think I can try to be a YouTuber and get a wax at the same time. It's just really not giving for me. So, yep, I just got my wax. It is 5 o'clock, and I think I'm going to, again, try to run over to a TJ Maxx or a Burlington because I really want a new gym bag. Like, my Delta bag is getting ran to the ground, and some things you just don't want to get ran all the way to the ground, right? I'm trying to find I really shouldn't be vlogging and driving like this. It's not the best idea, but I'm really trying to find a gym bag that has the breathable area so that you can put your shoes in there, because I think that is really cool. And there's this Emperor's Kitchen out here in Brookfield that it smells so freaking good. Like, it smells so good, and I think I'm going to be asking Leno to bring me here. Leno is fiance. Y'all haven't seen Fiance. I'm gonna have to bring y'all on one of our little date nights or something. Stop telling my business. I do. I'm gonna get it together. I'm gonna talk to y'all in a little bit once I get to my next destination. Small, but I think I found it for the game. I think I could just throw this on. They don't have any smaller freaking sizes, unfortunately. But I'm not a small, so baby, we can't do that one. Not a 2X, not a XL. Oh, this is a medium, but I don't like this one. I like the look of this one better. So I think I'm gonna go with this one. I think this is actually these right here. Ooh, I be snagging my ring. I'd rather be bigger than smaller. Too small is just not gonna cut it for me. Hey y'all, editing Leah here again. So, you're not a real YouTuber if you don't make this mistake of accidentally doing a very slow-mo, no audio freaking reveal. So the box that I'm showing y'all is my Delta box subscription, and getting to the details, you see that Delta box with the paddock. So now this is me getting ready to open. I am so excited to get my box, every single time. Overly excited at this point. Look at me.
Jalen Thomas.
Challenge. I'm here with our contestant Josh. If he can make me, please grab the tongs.
Which one you want?
The smaller one. Damn, that's big as fuck. Get this one. Get this one. Get the top.
I was gonna say I can't move it.
Checking into the goal line, number 4, DJ Davis.
That was a tough loss. Marquette 62, Butler 69. Very
really
tough
should have
loss.
won, but I don't know.
Sportsmanship.
keep showing up. Your mama know what it is. I'm about to give her all of her grandkids, saying that she go looking like my future baby mama. Can't nobody do your body like my body. I'm sorry.
Backseat living, my driver. Very low on energy. I am not going to be recording today. I'm about to do cardio. I'm about to do abs. It is 8:08 and I am super tired. Got anything to say to the people before I put this away?
It's 8 o'clock. I really didn't want to come, but I'm here.
Me either.
We here.
So maybe we'll pull y'all back out again.
Got to do it, y'all.
When
Got a
it's
fresh
time
cut.
to do cardio.
You said we doing cardio?
When it's time to do abs, maybe we'll pull them back out again, but I don't feel like keeping it out. I'm not gonna record. What? Oh. Look at this sweat. Can you see? I can't believe we about to get 14 inches. Hey y'all. It is Friday, January 12th, and I am about to get ready to go to the gym. Shout out to my fiance in the back who just uncovered all the snow off of our cars and shoveled me out so that I can go to the gym. I said I was gonna do an at-home workout, but I really want to go to the gym. I really want to just, you know, lock in and also go to the sauna. So I'm currently about to do that, and then after that I'm going to come home and make dinner, watch movies, and edit this vlog so that it can go out on time. I'm really trying to stick with this. In this vlog I wanted to talk a little bit more, so I'm glad, well, I hope that I talk enough for y'all, because that was the feedback that I got from my friends. I asked them to watch the vlog and tell me what I could have did better, and they said that I wasn't really talking. So I'm here. What's good? I'm about to literally fight through this snowstorm to get to the gym. I'm waiting on a car mount. That's why I really don't talk to y'all in the car. So once I get a car mount, I'll be good to go. My mom is supposed to be ordering me one. Late Christmas present. Yes, it's January 12th. And it's a late Christmas present. But so once I get a car mount, I'll be doing more things in the car, moving around, stuff like that. I'm still getting used to bringing the camera to the gym. It'd be a lot going on up in there, and people just like to stare, and I really be trying to be in and out, and not just be awkwardly stared at the whole time I'm in the gym. So yeah, that's why I don't record my workout every single time, but every vlog you're gonna get a workout, because I am doing a 30-day challenge. Yes, so I am doing a 30-day challenge with Nonstop Fitness. I'm going to add the app right here on the screen, and today is day 12, and I have not missed a day. All I had to do was to check in on Instagram every single day when I finished or while I was doing my 30-minute workout. I've been logging it on my Apple Watch, which I don't have on now, so I need to get that before I go. So I've been logging it on there, and I think I forgot to wear my Apple Watch once, but I was there with somebody else, and there we did the same exact workout. Shout out to Sonia, and the person who's doing a challenge follows Sonia, so I just was like, you know, we here together, and we clocked in and clocked out at the same time. But yeah, I wanted to do a fitness challenge just to jumpstart. Like, I've been in the gym, don't get me wrong, but you know, I've been taking a couple days off here and there and not being consistent with like going there to get a workout or like eating consistently. So I've been there, I be in the gym, but my consistency was getting a little shaky, so I needed to up it. And that's what I did. So now we here, day 12. I think I'm gonna make a TikTok a little bit later today too that goes over like every day I checked in and like just the importance of like showing up for yourself, because this is for me. I don't care if nobody wants to go with me, I'm going to go. And that's exactly what I've been doing. So period. Shout out to me, shout out to non-stop fitness, and shout out to Sonya for holding me accountable. And also K Monet, clock in with my girl. You gotta follow her page, her channel. I'm going to put her @name right here on the screen, because she been checking in with me too, like, great job, sweetie, you're doing great. And I appreciate that, because 30 days every single day going to the gym in Wisconsin when it's a snowstorm outside. I'm literally going to show y'all, but it's a whole snowstorm and we still been getting it in regardless. So that's enough for me talking. You got what you wanted. I'm talking, and now I'm talking too much, so bye. Into the wild we go. Ah! Yeah, you can't even see the steps. Oh, there's a lot of snow out here. That's crazy. I can't even see the steps. What the fuck? Is your car get out? Like the sidewalk is not shoveled. Well, it's shoveled, but more snow came down. But it's not bad out here. Like you can see, like they tried to shovel, but then the snow came down again. Ooh. Complete stop. We're here, guys. We're here. Well, we're not there yet. YouTube, I just picked you up. I just wanted to show you the roads really quickly, and then I'm gonna put you away because this is dangerous, and I don't have my car mount. Ooh. Say hey, Sonia. My emotional support passenger. Legit. Oh, okay, plow truck. Guess who just made their way to the gym through the snowstorm? And there's no one here. I called earlier, y'all. In the parking lot. Sonya thinks I'm funny. I don't find shit funny. At least I'm not the only one, because this is the second car that just pulled up. Oh my God, now my window don't want to go up. Sonya!
God.
You're laughing at my pain. Look at this, y'all. I should have never. Oh. Take me home.